Hello, good morning everyone. This is Vikram Pabanwal and welcome to you to my new YouTube channel. And today I have just come with some certain words. So I'll just go through the each and one word and we'll just get to know. And if you amend those words in your conversation, definitely it will just flourish your conversation as well as will just feel confident. So here I have to go. So we have the first word that is called abandon. So basically, what is the meaning of abandon? So, but before that, we have to stick with the pronunciation. The pronunciation must be like that: abandon, abandon. You have to repeat again and again so that it could sticks to your tongue. Abandon. So the meaning of the abandon to leave something or to stop something. It means that if you just keep on working of something and sudden that you just stop something, rather than just saying stop something because it is quite familiar to others one, so you could use that abandon something. Like as I have just jotted down one sentence, and this would just make your just brain more clear. I had to abandon the video call as I was continued to late hours. It means that I was indulged in the video call like more than 2 hours, and that's why it was so much hectic. That's why uh, I had to abandon the call, and this is how that I just got free. Now we have the next word that is called abolish. Abolish, abolish. Now you have to say the same thing: abolish, abolish. So what's the meaning of abolish? To end an activity. If you are doing something particular activity and when you just come to an end and stop it at the end, it means that you abolish this particular activity. So you would use that in a way like one must abolish the activity of drinking alcohol. Yes, it is 100% true. If you are into alcohols, if you are indulged in any kind of the narcotics things, and that have been so much addictive to you, so you have to abolish as soon as possible so that you won't be deteriorate your just health, right? So this is how that we could use the words called abolish. Now we have the third word that is called accommodate. Now you have to say with me that accommodate, accommodate, accommodate. So what's the meaning of accommodate? To provide a stay. If you are just providing a stay to someone, it could be a room or it could be any kind of the places so that the people could stay. So that I could just say that accommodate. So this word is so much emphasized, so you have to emphasize with the pronunciation, right? Now the sentences is the rooms we are living is too small to accommodate. Like the particular, there are the lots of the peoples, right? So we have a chunk of the people, and if we are looking for the room, but the room are so small to accommodate, so we couldn't adjust in the particular room. So in that way or in that sentence, we could use the words accommodate. Now we have the fourth one is a company, a company, a company, company. But A should be the silent when in terms of the pronunciation, and you have to say with loud like company, company. Repeat it again and again. Company, company. So what's the meaning of company? Is to go with someone. When you are just going with somewhere that you are just standing by him by your just appearance, it means that you are accompanying him. Like I had examination in the Bhubaneswar, so I had never been over there. So one of my just friend who accompanied me till Bhubaneswar. So this is how that you could use it and flourish your vocabulary's power, and as well as you have to just keep on practicing each and every day so that all the words are gonna completely inculcate in your brain for the long term. Now we have the last words, but not the least: accomplish, accomplish, accomplish. This is how you have to say the pronunciation. Now what's the meaning of the accomplish? Succeed in doing something. When you are achieving something or achieving your just goal, it could be anything. That it means that you have accomplished that those particular thing. So we have the sentence, so it will just make you more clear and lucid. I continued to practice throughout the months and I accomplished my fluency. Yes, it is so much right. So unless that you just practice, you couldn't accomplish what you want to achieve the kind of fluency. If you want to accomplish your just right English fluency, then you have to just keep on practice. So most of the questions arises like most of the person who doesn't have the partner or any kind of friends who accompanying him, just making a conversation. So what you need to do that if you are starting from the scratch, definitely you won't find a people those who speak in English. But what you need to do that you have to confine yourself in the room or any kind of places where huge crowd or could be a lot of the stuffs around you. So every stuff has particular names, every stuff has a particular noun, right? So we have to just go with this particular name and just define what actually they are, and you could just go with the adverb and adjective so that you could embellish the what the words, what's the stuffs actually contains, right? This is how that you could use it. So now I have just finished with all those words, but I would like to share you like if like you need to do one thing, like whatever the words that I have explained now, you have to just put it on your just notebook, and it must be separated for vocabulary itself. So that after just when you just forget to go through this kind of words, you have to just turn the pages of the books and turn the pages of the notebook, and after that you can just go through them and just make it a practice on a daily basis. So this is how that it completely sticks to your brain for long term, and just make it use in the conversation of the people, and this is how that you will be just completely flourished. So now I'm just come to an end, and I like to say that if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you have any kind of queries, or if you are unsatisfied with me on something, definitely you could share your just views so that I will just amend in the upcoming videos. So please do stick around my videos so that you will be just get a major help. So thank you, have a nice day.